How to use communication apps for work. For example, Slack. Yo, working warriors, drowning in email chains. Today's video tackles work communication. Apps like Slack and Microsoft Teams showing you how to collaborate like a boss. Emails can be a communication battlefield, endless threads, lost messages, and information overload. Enter the champions work communication apps. These apps streamline communication, keeping your team connected and projects on track. We'll explore two popular options and focus on Slack. It's the chat master. Think of Slack as a digital headquarters. Chat with colleagues, share files, and create channels for specific projects. It's perfect for quick updates and fostering a fun collaborative vibe. Teams also, which is a Microsoft app, is a powerhouse within the Microsoft Office suite. It integrates video conferencing, file sharing, and project management tools all under one roof. It's perfect for larger teams and complex projects. No matter the app, here's your Communication Dojo starter pack. Channels and groups to organize conversations by topic, direct messages for private chats with coworkers, file sharing to ditch email attachments, share docs, images, and videos seamlessly within the app. So ditch the email chaos and embrace the world of work communication apps, from Slack's playful spirit to Teams' powerhouse features. There's an app to fit your team's needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.